Hey gang, this is UV here. This is my multi-hooked coat and hat rack. I guess you could hang a bag too. Anyhow, it's got a long undulating little vine and a humongous leaf here that you can hang a hat on. And coat there or something. I made this out of a 1/2 inch by 3 inch flat stock, and I just draw it out. That was a lot of work. I probably should have just used just a round bar and welded it onto the leaf, but I draw the whole thing out of a 3x1/2 flat bar. Anyways, this is going to be a trade item for my Blacksmith Association meeting, and just wanted to show it off before it left. Alright gang, have a nice day unless you have other plans. Peace.